You will come up, oh, you will come up. All this exotic and all these things will happen for you. Watch out. Alright, I'd like to recognize very specially in this beautiful afternoon the National Secretary of TPAN is none other than Mr. Bashir Maje. Please let's give him a round of applause. Thank you for joining us. And I'd like to recognize one of the organizations that are here this afternoon, one of the commissions. Okay. Yeah. So let me recognize representing the Executive Secretary of the National Commission for Colleges and Education. Please discuss and gentlemen, let's recognize the presence of Mrs. Owe Aki Ogusanya. Please let's give a round of applause. Please, ma, can you come up, please? Let's come up. Alright, I've been informed that our mommy is standing outside and waiting to come in. Please, as we recognize this very remarkable woman, as we recognize this mother of so many generations, because when you give to the generation of today, you are also giving to the generation of tomorrow. And this woman has been doing so much to ensure that she leaves her impact on the brink of time. Is she around? When are they giving this signal? Well now. I'm going to let me speak my English to it. Okay, so I'd like to recognize, very especially in our midst, the President General of the Forum of Pastors for Peace and Reconstruction, Fred Samuel Taka. Please let's give him a round of applause. Please, are you here, sir? Archbishop, please, sir, we'll have you up here, please. Let's give him a round of applause, please. Please, I'd like to recognize the Secretary General of the National Commission for UNESCO. If you are here, sir, we'd like to have you upstage. I will still have the name so I can make a proper recognition, but I don't have the name here. Please, the Secretary General of the Nigerian National Commission for UNESCO. Is he here? Do we have any representative from UNESCO? Any representative from UNESCO? Okay, they're on their way. I'd like to recognize very especially on this the welfare coordinator on the house, says Edna Uba. Please let's give her a round of applause. Is she here? Ma, are you here? Okay, she's not. Alright, I also like to recognize this afternoon the Executive Secretary of NMEC, ably represented by Barrister Mrs. Okie. Please let's give her a round of applause. Barrister Mrs. Okie. Thank you. Okay. You're welcome. Thank you. All right, I'd like to also recognize very especially one of our mothers that have been working tirelessly to make sure that this event is a success today. She's been working with the convener of this wonderful event. She's been working with her for many years just to ensure that she reaches out to women across Nigeria, and especially the northern parts of Nigeria. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to bring on stage our mother, Hajia Aisha Mahmoud. She is the chairperson of Almata Arawa. Please let's give a round of applause all over Nigeria. Please let's give a round of applause, please. Mommy, this one I don't want to sit down, so no. You guys are standing. That's good. All right. They are also like the host of this event too. I'd like to recognize very especially ESCO members of the who are with us, other than Honorable Kabiru Gaba Koko. Please let's give him a round of applause. I'd like to also recognize the partners of this mass. Not other than very Momo Shiro. Please let's give him a round of applause in this case. Simon, will you just wait to us if you're there? Okay. I'd like to also especially one of the board of trustees, Joint Widows for Paramilitary Association of Nigeria. She's none other than ACG Mrs. Lami Wushishi. Please let's give a round of applause if she's here. Please, mommy, can you join us up here, please? Can you join us up here? Please let's give mommy a round of applause. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for joining us. Alright, I also like to recognize from the FCT and DME, I'd like to recognize the presence of, please, are you here, sir? He's outside.
The umbrella.
The very convener of this lovely, I thought you'd be coming. You see, ladies and gentlemen, a mother that loves women, a mother that loves children, a mother that's given
all your stuff.
How do you get there? Is not happy and women are hungry. Ladies and gentlemen, please excuse us. Let's make for our mother, the very doctor, Princess Chetachi Nwoga Ecton. Can we make some noise? Mother, the past mother. Dr. Chetachi Nwoga. Mother, the past mother. Dr. Chetachi Nwoga. Chetachi Nwoga. Three voices for our mother. Put your hands together and celebrate her once again. Celebrate her once again. Mommy, you're welcome. Please, I need to have the name of our daddy, His Royal Majesty, the Emir of Garki. Please, I need to have his full name so I can recognize him appropriately. I'd like to recognize very especially in our midst one of the national president of cattle dealers of Nigeria, Ilyasu Bulama. Please let's give him a round of applause as well.